Hello everyone, I am Vishwas. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am back with new video on latest job openings for this week. I have covered almost all openings for freshers and experienced candidates in different locations like Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad. Do watch the complete video so that you will not miss any updates. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more video updates. As I have said in my previous video, do share this video to the people who are in need of job. Without any delay, let's get started with today's job updates. Tech Mahindra is hiring for customer service associate. Experience required 0 to 2. Vacancies 100. Location Pune. Salary 2 lakh per annum. Interview process is only in telephonic. Designation Customer Service Associate. Job role: resolve customer queries and provide proper resolutions over the call. Required skills: basic computer knowledge, good communication skills in English. Qualification: HSC or diploma with minimum 6 months of experience in BPO or any graduate. Freshers can also apply. Wipro is hiring for domestic call center. 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Pune. Salary 1,75,000 per annum. Freshers and experienced candidates with 0 to 2 years experience in a domestic call center can apply. Good command over English and Hindi language, both oral and written. Shall possess great ability in customer service, customer handling and resolving customer queries and issues. Shall possess problem solving skills and enhancing customer satisfaction through quick and efficient resolution. Work from home opportunity, apply from anywhere. This is a 3-month contract role, 6 days working. Dell is hiring for inside sales representative. US shifts, voice process. 0 to 4 years of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Job description: sells products and services to North American customers, responding primarily through an inbound phone queue or chat queue. Able to explain technical industry and market facts to position Dell as a competitive solution. Essential requirements: bachelor's degree in any stream, post-graduation is not mandatory. If undergraduation, then you must have at least 12 months of international calling experience. Must have excellent communication skills with basic technical knowledge about computers. Should be open to work in night shifts in 24/7 environment. Desirable requirements: minimum 1 year of international calling experience to 5 years of overall experience is preferred. Sales background would be an added advantage. Dell is hiring for apprentice trainee, diploma only. Job highlights: candidates should be ready to work in all shifts of ICC. 0 years of experience required. 15 vacancies. Kanchipuram location. Roles and responsibilities: candidate will be deployed across manufacturing units starting from kitting the materials, build and packing, orders, burn rack operations, check the status of the orders. Desired candidate profile: experienced fresher. Education should have completed diploma, EEE, ECE, IT, mechanical or computers. Candidate should be ready to work in all shifts of ICC. Candidate should have excellent communicational skills, writing and speaking. Candidate should be ready to work in flexible any location of ICC manufacturing process or business requirement. Perks and benefits: we offer highly competitive stipend. Amazon is hiring for seller partner support. Work from home. 0 to 4 years of experience required. 100 vacancies. Location Bangalore. Salary 2,75,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: this includes, but it is not limited to, the seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Basic qualifications: education, bachelor degree in any discipline, excellent written and verbal communication in English. The job involves 24/7 working environment, including night shifts, and shifts are decided based on business requirement. Weekly off: rotational 2 consecutive day offs. During the first 4 months training and transition, no unplanned leaves are allowed. Amazon is hiring for SPS IN process. Work from home. 0 to 5 years of experience required. 50 vacancies. Location Hyderabad. Salary 2,75,000 to 3,75,000 per annum. Basic qualifications: bachelor degree in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication skills in English. Along with English, some roles also require communicating in Hindi or Telugu. Amazon is hiring for quality analyst in Chennai. Job highlights: SM auditor should have an eye for detail and data accuracy skills. Kindly apply on this job posting if you are interested only. The shortlisted candidates will receive an email from the initial online assessment form. 0 to 3 years of experience required. 30 vacancies. Location Chennai. Salary 3 lakh to 3,75,000 per annum. Job details: should have 0 to 3 years of experience in data analysis and Excel. SM auditor should have an eye for detail and data accuracy skills. He or she should be able to find trends based on audit output and aggregate audit data based on audit findings. Eligibility criteria: educational qualifications, any degree. Years of experience 0 to 3 years. Strong analytical ability, strong written communication skills, good working knowledge in MS Office. Amazon is hiring for international voice support. Job highlights: the job involves in 24/7 environment including night shifts, and the shifts are decided based on the business requirement. 0 to 5 years of experience required. Location Delhi. Roles and responsibilities: associate demonstrate end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers on emails and phone calls. Basic qualifications: any graduation, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. Since the job involves providing support on phone calls, experience in international voice support in customer service, contact center environment would be an advantage. Tech Mahindra is hiring for customer service executive. 1 to 6 years of experience required. Location Mumbai. Salary 2,50,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Job description and eligibility: graduate with minimum 6 months of BPO experience in voice. HSC with minimum 6 months of domestic or international BPO experience in voice. SSC with minimum 1 year of international BPO experience in voice. Ex-employees are always welcome, subject to eligibility. Salary plus monthly performance incentives will be given. Immediate joiners preferred. Good communication and willing to work in challenging environment. Interested candidates can directly mail their resume to the HR. Amazon is virtually hiring for senior associate ERC role. 1 to 6 years of experience required. Location Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Salary 4 lakh to 4,50,000 per annum. Responsibilities: receive and log off all queries received via calls, cases or tickets. Responding to inquiries regarding policies, programs including benefits, attendance, payroll deductions, etc. via calls, tickets and cases. Thorough knowledge of policies, process for multiple customer groups, ensure the service level is achieved at all times. Basic qualifications: a bachelor's degree, master's degree is a plus. Minimum of 6 months to 5 years of experience in international voice process and willing to work in contract or service center environment, willing to work in 24/7 support. Preferred qualifications: foreign languages proficiency would be an added advantage. Prior experience in an inbound or outbound call center handling HR help desk is desirable experience. Eligibility criteria: immediate joiners only. This is a contract role for 6 months. Should be graduate and above. Please check the links in the description for all the jobs I have discussed in this video. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. As I said earlier, please share this video as much as possible so that it will reach to the maximum people who are in need of job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.